Thank you for choosing us as your trusted partner in learning English. In today's video, we will explore how to approach someone in a family get-together and start a basic conversation. To get the most out of this lesson, we recommend repeating the phrases along with us. Let's begin. Happy learning.
Hey. Long time no see. How have you been? Hi. I've been great. How about you? I'm good too. It's so nice to see everyone here. Absolutely. We should do this more often. Definitely. How's work treating you? It's been busy, but good. What about you? Same here. Let's catch up properly over dinner. Yes, sure.